Hey, thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the vertical effect or the Dolly Zoom effect using this little guy and digital zoom that's included in this guy. All right, let's get to it. Essentially what the vertical effect or the Dolly Zoom effect is a push-pull with the camera. So in 1958, Alfred Hitchcock invented the Dolly Zoom effect for his masterpiece Vertigo movie. So what he did, he put a camera on a dolly, and as he's moving the camera, he's zooming in and out. And by doing so, it creates this background perspective shift. So what happens is this: when you use zoom, the background becomes flat, meaning that the foreground and the background are now one. Now as you use a wide-angle lens, kind of like what you're seeing now, the background separates from the foreground. So with that in mind, we can create Alfred Hitchcock created this vertical effect. So what he did was he moved the camera away from the subject and zoomed in at the same time. So by doing this effect, it created this warpy, dramatic perspective shift that we all love to kind of, emulate. So to do a proper Dolly effect or vertical effect, you need a physical zoom to be able to do it. A good example of a drone that can do this is the Mavic 2 Zoom. So we don't have the Mavic 2 Zoom, but we have the Mini. And the Mini has digital zoom that will do 4x in 1080p, and it will do 2x in 4K and 2K. What I want to do is show you how to create videos using this type of effect. Now you might be asking, how are we going to be able to do this with this Mavic Mini 2? Well, easy. We can do this by using this digital zoom provided with us by hitting the left thumb and the left index finger roller that will allow us to do the digital zoom while we're moving the camera backwards or forward. And first, we need to get the drone up in the air. Second, we need to find an object or a subject to focus in. And what I suggest, 3, is fly the drone fast away from the subject while zooming in. And what we're going to see is the curves that initially start when you're up close will be really nice and pronounced, and as we fly away and zoom in, it'll flatten out. So the back will come forward to give you that vertical effect. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to go ahead and show you guys a cool video with some cool music that I created while using this digital zoom to give you that vertical effect. Alright, I will see you guys on the other side of that video. Dolly Zoom coming up, guys. Here we go. In the description below, you will find the links to all the products mentioned in this video. If you don't see the links, press that show more button and scroll down. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a video about the Mavic Mini 2 doing Dolly Zoom manually. Zoom as I back up.
Yeah, that's neat.
There's the Dolly Effect, man.
That's like a video, like a TV show. Oh man, look at that.
It's warpy, man. It's like,
look at that. Ooh, I like that, man. I like that.
You see that?
I'm gonna use that. I like that.
So there was the manual Dolly Effect. I know we're in the shade and it's harder to see,
but that was
neat.
It
still worked pretty well.
That was good.
Alright guys, here we go. Here we go, backing up now, zooming in. Backing up now. Zooming in. It's going to be a tight quarter flight. Take off.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
And I have it in city mode right here, guys. So we're going to fly through this bridge. I think I got it lined up right. Let's go ahead and get to it. So here I am, guys. This is how to do a dolly effect with the Mavic Mini 2. So here we go. We're going to back it up. Then I'm going to do the digital zoom right here with my thumb and forefinger. You guys ready? Try it again, it didn't go so well. Dolly Zoom coming up, guys. Dolly Zoom number 3. Dolly Zoom coming up, guys. Here we go. Zoom as I back up.
Yeah, that's neat.
There's the Dolly Effect, man.
That's like a video, like a TV show. Oh man, look at that.
It's warpy, man. It's like,
look at that. Ooh, I like that, man. I like that.
You see that?
I'm gonna use that. I like that.
So there was the manual Dolly Effect. I know we're in the shade and it's harder to see,
but that was neat.
It still worked pretty well.
Alright guys, what did you think of those effects? Pretty cool, right? So I hope you guys go out there and start knocking it out of the park. Try these effects and you will be surprised how well they turn out. It's going to take you a little bit of practice. As you saw from my video, it took me like 2 or 3 takes to get it right. But if you spend time doing this, it'll make it much easier in the future. Alright guys, in the description below, I will put in the links to all the equipment that I mentioned in this video or used in this video. If you do not see the links, hit that show more button and then scroll down and find the link you're looking for. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you find this video gave you some value, I would appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up button. And if you like the contents of the channel and you look forward to seeing future tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. I do appreciate it, guys. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.